Hey guys, welcome back to Kovar Can't Paint. How are you guys? How was your week? Let me know in the comments. Today, me and Oreo, up there in the left-hand corner, who may already be asleep, looks like it, are going to be attempting a new tutorial on YouTube that I saw that was doing a portrait. This one right here. This artist, Sketching Scotty, he has a ton of tutorials on YouTube, which I have not watched them all. I literally just grabbed this one. I watched it and it came on my feed and I thought it was really cool. And so I thought I'd give it a try. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely was not the guy in class that was drawing. I'm not a drawer. I don't have any experience drawing, and so trying this actually was kind of there was a little bit of a fear factor. But this guy really breaks down drawing on a portrait. He breaks it down like really, really well. So I thought I could at least follow what he's doing. I also gave myself the challenge not to go ahead and do pencil first. I went straight to pen like he does in the video, just trusting, hoping that it was going to come out okay. I'm okay with the way the picture came out. It doesn't look exactly like what he drew, but you know, it looks like a human, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now we start in with the color washes, and he's breaking it down by each color, and he names the color, and I have no idea what colors I have in my palette. I used to have a little cheat sheet that would tell me, so I need to get that back out, but I was just kind of guessing as we were going along, and I definitely get different colors than he uses, but that it doesn't bother me that much. I think, moreover, I was hoping that I could at least match the tones from the ones, you know, the tone, the saturation that he was doing, just to get so the shape was there of the face and stuff. It seems pretty simple what he's doing, but after a while it does get fairly advanced pretty quickly, so I'm just trying to hang in there as best I can. I really like these tutorials that this guy's doing because, I don't know, I feel like it's a really easy entry point. I want to do more portraits. I seem to be very attracted to doing more portraits rather than landscapes, and I really love, as you know, as I've said before, I really love the ink and wash style. I just think it looks really cool, and so yeah, he's kind of someone I might go back to. Going in here now, on his video, he has like a pen that he uses to create the gouache effect, and I don't have that pen, so I just got out my gouache and added some little white highlights throughout the painting. I've really loved all of the comments you guys have been making lately on the videos. They're awesome. I love to hear what you guys are up to, what you think of the paintings, what you are working on, and what you think I should be doing next. I love all the tips. Please keep sending the tips. Believe me, I listen to them and I take them to heart, and you know, just trying to get better one painting at a time. So thanks for hanging out, guys. Don't forget to sign your paintings, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's pretty cool. I love it.